Hi, I'm Ginny. I've been painting for over 40 years and I use the wet into wet or alla prima method. Here's a peek at what we're going to paint today. Just going to start with little X strokes in the background. Mix color right on the canvas. This area is very dark. I pay attention to where the light is coming from. The light is coming from the right. Base coat in these leaves that I know are here. These I'm starting at the tip and pushing more as I go in. Over here I'm going to grab a little bit of that lighter pink outer edges of this fold. You have paint there, you have this little gray, you can blend it right back into the dark right there. Underneath of the ear, right in here, there's a little bit of flesh tone color. So I want to make sure that I get my lights and my darks in there. Sometimes you lose things as you're painting. A little bit, a tiny bit of yellow into my white. You can oil paint too, so let's have some fun.